welcome to Alpha Online Education. The Civics first year or Political Science first year. Civics or Political Science first year English medium. So it is the unit number 4th. So name of this unit is Political Concepts. What is the name of this unit? Political concepts. Political concepts. So actually in these concepts, so one is law and another is liberty and third one is equality and fourth one is justice. These four are political concepts. So actually I completion the law. So law, what is law? The meaning of the law and the sources of law, and then I completion the liberty, the meaning of liberty, the definitions of the liberty, the kinds of the liberty, the safeguards of the liberty, safeguards of the liberty. And then now present it is the very small political concept. So what the name of this concept? The name of this concept is equality. So actually you know about the equality. The meaning of equality is all are equal. So actually all are equal, that is equality. So what the main aim of equality? So no variation, all are equal. Before in law, all are equal before in state. So the variation is not here. No variation between religions, castes and sex. So finally all are equal. So in these topic side, in this equality side, so one 5 marks question. So what is that 5 mark question? So write any 3 kinds of equality. Write any 3 kinds of equality. So here 6 kinds of equalities. The one is natural equality and the second one is civil and legal equality. The fourth one is political equality. The third one is political equality. The fourth one is social equality. The fifth one is economic equality. The sixth one is international equality. So these 6 all are kinds of the equality. These 6 all are kinds of the equality. These 6 all are kinds of the equality. So the first one is natural equality. So natural in Telugu sahaja samanatvamu antam. What is the meaning of natural equality? Sahaja samanatvamu. So the aim of this natural equality, so all are equal. Actually according to some politicians, so actually the mans all are, they are in equal position. So the variation is not important here. So actually the nature builds all peoples. Who builds? The nation builds. So actually who is the creator? The God is the creator. Who is the creator? The God is creator. So actually at the time of creation it do not give any variation. So natural equality means all are equal. So all are equal. The main concept of natural equality, natural, it actually by birth. Natural means here by birth. All are equal. So the variations all are created by society. So the God is do not create any variation. So the natural equality means all are equal. That is the natural equality. All are equal in all matters. All are equal in all matters. So actually here the civil and legal equality. So actually civil means పౌరులు అండ్ చట్టం, లీగల్ మీన్స్ హియర్ చట్టము, అంటే పౌరులు చట్టము అందరూ కూడా సమానమే. యాక్చువల్లీగా ఆల్ సివిల్, యాక్చువల్లీగా ఆల్ పర్సన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టేట్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ అండ్ అకార్డింగ్ టు లీగల్. సో ద డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ జ్యుడిషియరీ it give more priority to all. It do not give more priority to some persons and some organizations. So it give more priority to all. The department of judiciary give more priority to all. It do not give any more priority to particular persons. So the civil and legal equality, civil and legal equality, న్యాయం దృష్టిలో కానీ చట్టం దృష్టిలో కానీ పౌరులందరూ కూడా ఈక్వల్. ఓకే, అండ్ దెన్ ద పొలిటికల్ ఈక్వాలిటీ. సో యాక్చువల్లీ హియర్ సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. సో రైట్ టు ఓట్, రైట్ టు ఓట్. So all people are so all people participate directly in all political affairs. All people participate directly in all political affairs. So actually the political activities are most important here. Not political ante only political parties are not important here. Political leaders, political party, political means rajyaparanga. So here not political means not political parties. So actually all are equal in political. Political means here all people of the state, they participate freely in state activities. That is political activity. So not only political parties in political legal equality side, in political rights side. So all people of the country, they participate directly in all political affairs. So some people all are politicians, some all are not politicians, that not way. So all people are participative. At the time the people give choice to some persons, so we do not participate actively. Please you hand over my political activities and you maintain your authority. So you are the leader of our side. The people decides. Listen here. The people decide the politicians. Who decide the politicians? The people. So at the time of voting, all political parties what they says, please give your valuable votes to me. Please give your valuable votes to me. So I am the leader of you. Please elect me. At the time, the people believes who? The people believes who? They give choice to those. Okay? So here the people believes Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Rao and give their votes to him. So what this is? Yes, he is the better than all others. That is the feeling of those. So the people give choice to him. So here the political equality means all are equal in all political affairs. For example, right to vote. The vote is weapon of the citizen. ఒక పౌరుడికి ఓటే వజ్రాయుధం. At the time of that weapon he used, at the time of election he used his weapon, Okay, so the political equality means all people of the state, they participate directly in political activities. That is political equality. For example, right to vote, no variation between vote. So all who completed their 18 years, they are the voters. No variation between caste, religion, sex. Who completion their 18 years, they are the voters. So they use their vote, they decide their sovereign. The deciding factor is voters. So the political equality means here the political right, the right to vote, and then the social equality. So actually only one concept, no variation between any persons, any organizations, any institution. So all are ఈక్వల్. దీన్ని ఏమంటాం తెలుగులో సాంఘిక న్యాయము అంటాం. సోషల్ ఈక్వాలిటీ, ఆల్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్, నో వేరియేషన్ ఇన్ దిస్ సైడ్, దట్ ఈస్ సోషల్ ఈక్వాలిటీ. సో ఎకనమిక్ ఈక్వాలిటీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద వెరీ important equality. So now present in our India, economic equality is not possible. So what is the meaning of economic equality? Ante who have money for his side, he distribute that money to others. Is that possible in our side? You know about the China, it is the economic equality country. So economic right is the side of people in our side. So economic equality not is inside of our. So what states is economic equality is in the side of all citizens. So now wear it. So who maintain our present nation ante the investors maintain our nation. The big investors maintain our nation. So actually economic equality, all are equal in all economic activities. So is it possible in our side? It's not possible in our side. So India is the country of democratic, India is the country of secular. So all are inside of ours. So economic equality is not in ours, it is the bad of ours. So financial, in status of financial are all equal. Is that possible? So not possible. So international equality. So national equality is in our side, international equality is the side of out. So actually natural liberty ante kuda ade. So all are equal in all matters. Is that possible? Natural equality, what it says? All are equal in all matters. Is that possible? Is not possible. So these are all the kinds of equality. These are all kinds of equality. One is natural equality, second is civil and legal equality, third is political equality, fourth is social equality, fifth is economic equality, sixth is international equality.